my YouTube subscribers, pigeon racers, pigeon fanciers. Dominic from 808 Sunrise Loft. I'm out here on my release point number 4. I'm at Money Tree again. Right now, as you can see, we have overcast. Wind is east southeast, about 5 miles an hour. Um, Today it's about 1:30 right now in the afternoon. So again, I still got all my racers. All 27 of them made it home. Hopefully you guys doing good on your guys training releases. That's for me, I'm doing great. Again, let's check them out. Love my pigeons, man. Love my pigeons. So again, we've been sitting here for about 10 minutes now and we're ready to go. Let's check them out. Right now, looking at good right now. Night, night. Morning, and we should be heading into our destination. Their second release from this point, so we should be familiar with the area they So I give you guys an update once we get home to the loft. Again, Dominic, 808 Sunrise Loft. Love my pigeons. Quick update from today's release, June 19th. All the birds are back already in the loft. Looks like they all came back. I'll do another inventory on my next release, but they are busy eating. They hydrated with the electrolyte in the water, and they look pretty happy. Not tired. Came back as a big group, and they all in here eating. Again, my fourth release from 9.967 miles out. Money Tree. 2023 young birds returned from fourth release. It's good. Aloha and good luck, everybody.